Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by changing the iPhone lock code to an alphanumeric passphrase. Open Settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode, and enter your current code. Once in, tap Change Passcode and pick Passcode options, then Custom Alphanumeric Code. This lets you use letters, numbers, and symbols, so your lock is far stronger than a 4- or 6-digit code. Make the change now. You'll get better protection against brute force and easy guessing. Now create the passphrase itself. Choose at least 12 characters mixing upper / lowercase, numbers, and symbols. You can start with a short sentence you'll remember and convert parts into substitutions, so a line from a song becomes unique and long. Once done, avoid obvious words, repeated sequences, or keyboard patterns because attackers try those first. Make sure to test unlocking a few times so it feels natural. Muscle memory reduces lockouts. Finish by enabling iCloud Keychain and confirming your Apple ID settings so you can recover credentials later. Once set, test unlocking and sync your devices so the passphrase behavior is consistent across iPhone and iPad. Make sure you add a recovery contact in case you forget. If something goes wrong, use Apple ID account recovery or find My iPhone to erase and restore. If that fails, contact Apple support. This single troubleshooting step will save time if you're
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.